Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Dogelon Mars, also known as ELON, on your Metamask. Once you've logged on to coinmarketcap.com, the link would be in the description of the video. Once there, all you need to do is simply copy its contract address, which is here. As you can see here, Ethereum. You simply click on this and copy, minimize, and open up your Metamask. And with your Metamask opened up, all you need to do is make sure you're on the Ethereum network. So simply click on this Ethereum main network up here, select Ethereum main network, click on import tokens, click on custom token, paste the contract address. The token symbol is ELON and it has 18 decimals. Simply click on import. Boom, Dogelon on Metamask. So now, in order to buy the ELON, you would need Ethereum. So with the Ethereum you possibly have, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of the screen that stands for the browser and log on to uniswap.org. Once there, change out this turbo for the Dogelon. So simply paste the contract address for the Dogelon, click on it. And now for $9.44 worth of Ethereum, we're getting over 5 billion or 5 million of the Dogelon while paying $3 worth of gas fees. So in order to avoid these high gas fees, you can simply get your ELON directly from a centralized exchange known as OKX. So you minimize, open up your OKX mobile app. Make sure you've deposited some cryptocurrency here that you can use for transactions, be it USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum itself, whatever. Simply click on this icon at the top left, click on convert. And in the option for from to, you simply select whatever cryptocurrency you might have. So in the to section, we're going to be using ELON. Click on ELON here, and for the USDT, being $12 plus the gas fees, $12, 12.0, we're getting 75 million or 75 billion of the Dogelon. You simply then click on convert, and once you've converted, you simply use the assets menu and click on withdraw. But before any of this can be done, you're going to need an account. By simply using our link, which is in the video description below, all you need to do is simply register, and you're going to stand a chance to win $10,000 worth of welcome bonuses and gifts alongside other perks, whilst depositing $50 or more and getting your account to a verified level of 2, which involves KYC and such. So simply click on withdraw and search for ELON. So ELON, click on Dogelon or Dogelon, click on chain, paste your Metamask address, which is your Ethereum address, paste your Ethereum address here, select the network ERC20 and put in the 78 billion here minus the 29 gas fees, 29 million gas fees or so, and then simply send. Alright guys, and that's how you can simply buy Dogelon on your Metamask. Do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.